Hey guys, what's welcome back to our techies. So in this video I'm going to talk about how can you repair the silent button if it's not working. So I kept on the silent I kept in the silent mode here, but it sometime worked and sometime not worked. So in this video I'm going to talk about how can you repair if the silent button means not working in your phone, then how can you repair that in the easiest way. So here it is, there is an optional option in every iPhone. From there you can use your silent button or mute button. So this is the completely kind of substitute option. So if the silent button or mute button not work in your phone, then in that way you can fix that. So simply go to the general and then simply go to setting, then general, then accessibility. From accessibility simply scroll down to the assistive touch. So assistive touch, then turn it on. So simply here you can see there is a assistive touch option is popped up. So from here you can simply go to the device and you can mute unmute easily. So in that case, if your silent key also not working, then no way to repair that as well. You can simply use it from here directly, mute unmute, and you can also volume up and down both as well. You can do it from here directly. So this is one of the best option which you can try. So if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this.